Good evening. We begin with scientific history made on Vancouver Island today. The University of Victoria unveiled the future of e-science, the Neptune Project, an historic breakthrough that pioneers the next generation of ocean exploration. The public launch today of the live data and imagery from the NEPTUNE Canada Ocean Observatory that'll be broadcast live over the internet from the bottom of the ocean.
This is a scientific milestone for Canada and the world. With a touch of simulation, NEPTUNE Canada, the world's largest and most advanced cabled ocean observatory, officially turned on the data flow from hundreds of scientific instruments and sensors on the sea floor of the Pacific Ocean.
Neptune is essentially providing power and internet under the sea, and so that means that we can plug in instruments and essentially be there real time all the time.
That continuous presence will enable researchers and scientists to observe and understand what is going on in the ocean in a way that hasn't been possible before.
This means more than 1 billion people will be able to share in discoveries from the ocean, one of the last unexplored places on our Earth.
BC's minister responsible for technology compared NEPTUNE Canada to the launch of the Space Shuttle Columbia, the first reusable spaceship.
And I remember it very, very well, and it changed history of space travel. And what you're seeing today is the ocean equivalent of that.
That sense of history and innovation is exactly what drew this grade 6 class from Central Middle School to the launch of NEPTUNE Canada.
That's what we're going to reemphasize at school. It's teamwork, and it also takes time. It's not something that happens overnight.
This could be a big way for all of science, because it's going on for another 25 years.
Every year for the next quarter century, NEPTUNE Canada will amass more than 60 terabytes of scientific data, equivalent to about 60 million books, on biological, physical, chemical, and geological processes in the Pacific Ocean. The president of the University of Victoria says NEPTUNE Canada is a tremendous leap forward for global ocean science and technology.
What it is a tribute to are some remarkable scientists that over a decade ago had an idea about how to revolutionize ocean science, and what they did is through the quality of their work, they were able to attract the resources necessary to make this happen.
It's a research network, and we're not sure at this point just what we're going to learn. But each scientist is looking at it from their mandate and their interest.
Data from NEPTUNE Canada will enable land-based scientists from across Canada and around the world to conduct interactive offshore and deep-sea experiments remotely. Their discoveries will help us better understand one of the largest and least known ecological areas. At the University of Victoria, Eric Thompson, A News.